Hi nail friends, now in today's video I am going to see whether these stickers, these are available from Amazon, these are nail stickers. Now whether these stickers, if I can make it stay for a longer period of time, because they said according to their how to use section there, they mentioned that if this nail stickers comes in contact with water, they will just peel off. So to see whether they are, rather let me sorry, I'm fumbling. I will make it, I will try to make it in such a way so that the nail stickers stays for a permanent time, permanent day of time. Okay, sorry, permanent nail enhancement. I'm fumbling very much because in the morning it's really very awkward to sit and do a video. So let's take it out. So this way it comes. Another design is there which we'll do in a second video. We are going to do this design. So this is from Nail Salon by Ashi gel nail strips. According to the instructions, clean nail and keep them dry. Choose a nail sticker of appropriate size. Paste and grind off the extra nail stickers. Okay, take off the extra nail sticker and finish. Once one more top coat can be more beautiful. Put your finger into the water. How to remove it? They have said that put your finger into the water, then directly tear off the nail stickers. Okay, so I will link these stickers in the description, and let's see whether we can make it a permanent enhancement. This is a temporary one. So for permanent enhancement, I have selected some of the nails. These are, see, you can see these are short almond. My dog's hair. These are short almond. So let me push it back. We have to tear it off, right? Let's see. So I will make my thumb, forefinger, and my pinky this, and these two colors will be the middle finger and the ring finger. Okay, so let's try. By the way, before doing this, we have to buff these nails so that the stickers stays permanently, and over that we are going to do some process. Let's see. So I have buffed the nails. Now let me dust off the excess. Now with a 180 hand file, I'll just make this round. So now we are going to attach the stickers. Now these are एकदम of this size only. ये बिल्कुल इस नेल के साइज के ऊपर बनाया गया है. Really good. So let me see how to. Sorry. I said this one. I will do it on my thumb. Okay. such a struggle. See, this portion is not getting, the full nail is not coming up to this. Oh my god. Taking this extra strip. Let me see whether I can place it over here or not. Yeah, but it's looking very stupid. But still, इसे ही काम चलाना पड़ेगा. I don't think this will be the problem with all the other nails. कैसे भी बनाया इसको. It was really a tough deal because the nail is not straight, nail is little curved. So to make it, to bring it to over here till here and till here, it was really a problem. But I think so once I top coat this, the problem won't be so much. Okay, let's go for another one. Let's take this and see what happens. Now that all the stickers are stuck, now I'm going to base coat it first, then I'll be top coating it. But before that, these are shiny objects, and on on a shiny object, you know that gel doesn't stick, or gel doesn't stay there for a longer period of time. So what am I going to do? First, I'm going to apply some primer. This is EmiGel's primer. This also you will get in Amazon. Let me see what happens if everything is means I am doing for means, so what to say, everything is experimental. I am not sure what will happen. Let them dry. Now I will apply the base coat. Now by the time it gets cured, let me prep my nail. So today I'm going to show you how I'm prepping my nail with a 180 by 180 grid file. Just a simple scratches to remove the shine. So now I'll be using the Shills Shiny Topcoat. So this is the result after the top coat. Now a little I have to file. Let me remove it from the stand. So I have to file a little bit. This will make hold the top coat more easily. So now let me arrange it. I have already buffed my nails. Now I'll be applying some primer. First dehydrator. To remove all the oils. Primer. Now I will take a clear acrylic. Any clear acrylic will do, and a monomer, and an acrylic brush. So let's start. And we'll hold it over this. A few moments. Oh, it's crooked. Anyway, I'll file it and make it straight. Be very careful about this. So this is the end result. Now let me see how long it takes. So see you in the next video. Till then, do like, share and subscribe, and of course comment, and again see you in the next video. Chalo, ek